Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dazzling performances from reggae's biggest names was in full effect at the 26th staging of the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest. Held at Catherine Hall in Montego Bay, Festival Night 2, popularly known as Reggae Night, spanned the course of Saturday night into the wee hours of Sunday morning. Up-and-coming artists such as Stussy, Empress Iola, Diani, Abattoir, Imewu Tafari and Naomi Cowan got the opportunity to perform center stage, delivering melodies which were well received. Breakout star Jador engaged the crowd with his lyrics, performing his tracks Free and his hit single McCullough, also dedicating time to serenade host Elise Kelly with a saxophone rendition of Luther Vandross's hit So Amazing. Reggae artist Kez Namdi captivated the audience with smooth lyrics and charisma, showcasing a mature stage presence. Reggae artist Jesse Royal kept the audience rocking, performing his past and current hits from his growing catalogue. American R&B singer J Boog didn't disappoint as he charmed the audience with powerful vocals, delivering a passionate performance. Fantan Mojah delivered a strong showing and had the crowd singing along as he reeled out some of his hit songs, including Hungry, No Bill Great Man, Stronger, Only Jah Love and Hail the King. Junior Gong delivered a high-energy set, performing old and new material from his catalogue, including some of his legendary father's work.
Don't let them fool you. Oh, no.
Maxi Priest kept the crowd energized, performing hits like Wild World, Believe in Love, Your Body Can't Lie to Me, On, and Close to You. Crowd pleaser Beres Hammond reeled off hits after hits from his extensive catalogue, much to the delight of his large fan base. At one point, Beres also brought on stage another veteran act, Beenie Man, who in his brief cameo was warmly received as he delivered a couple of his own hit songs. Dancehall artist Sham put together quite a quality set too that featured his all-woman band performing hit songs. He later brought Junior Gong back on stage to do their song together, Fighter. Reggae Night culminated with Capleton's fiery and energetic performance. The stellar lineup of reggae heavyweights and reggae newcomers brought the conscious vibe which is synonymous with Reggae Night and was a fitting close to this year's staging of Reggae Sumfest Festival. Now to the daily update in the Vybz Kartel appeal trial. In the appeal court this morning, when responding to points raised by prosecutors, Bianca Samuels, who is representing Sean Storm, told the court that the trial judge, Justice Lennox Campbell, made an error in law when he left the cell phone evidence to the jury. She noted that the judge admitted in his summation that the integrity of the phone was compromised. According to Ms. Samuels, the judge had only one thing to do, and that was to ensure that the evidence did not make it to the jury. She argued that the use of the phone while in police custody remains unexplained. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.